Hi everyone, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a flip through of this journal for you. This is a wraparound envelope journal, and all of the information that you will need should be in the description box below. I've got a butterfly charm which I have attached to the seam binding, which wraps around a couple of times. This did start with as a 9 by, did it start as a 9 by 6? No, I think it's a little bigger. I think this was a 10 by 13. Yeah, so it comes out 6.5 by 9 3/4, a little larger than most of the journals that I do, but fun nonetheless. And this was inspired by Natasha at Treasure Books. So I've used the Kirby Teasdale collection and some book pages, and the stickers and labels are from Your Creative Studio. There was one that came that was butterflies, and so that's where I went with this one. So when you open this, right away I have a sticker here. There is a journal here, and when you this is just writing paper. In the center here there is a waterfall. This label again is from Your Creative Studio. Waterfall, lots and lots of journaling space. And then in the back you'll see there is a postcard pocket with a couple of journaling pieces there. Plenty of room to add because I did not stuff it. There is a recycled envelope. Plenty of room. I have added some this is from Your Creative Studios as well. It's, I guess it's a handmade paper. It has little tiny little flowers and such in there. So I've added a couple of pieces in there. Okay, and book page with a butterfly stamp and a butterfly stamp. A craft envelope. I've added a little vellum sticker there. Inside here we have a couple more journaling spots. Like I said, plenty of room to add. I have not stuffed the pockets full. Same thing in this envelope. We have a couple of journaling type things. These could be used on pages in your journal if you'd like, or keep them in the envelopes. And then back here we have a staggered book page pocket, or stair step pocket, whatever you'd like to call it, with some vellum stickers. This is another one of those journaling cards. Got a piece of, what is that? I don't know. It's written in another language, but it looked cool, so I stuck it in there. And another piece back here. Another one of these, and that piece there, some kind of chart, but journaling space on the back for sure. And just have that butterfly sticking out right there. And then I did leave it open on the back, so there's another journal card and another piece of that paper, that handmade paper, or botanical paper. It feels very cottony. And then in here, in this pocket, there is another journal, book page here, vellum sticker, again, Kirby Teasdale butterfly pages, and then this is a blank journal with tea-dyed paper, and that just goes inside there. So for the closure, I did do 2 eyelets, and so this goes this way, this way. Is that how it goes? No, that's not how it goes. This goes first, then this, then fold it this way, and then I've made the closure long enough to wrap around a couple of times so that it holds this tight, and just like that, and then stick this butterfly right down here, and he can hang out there. So there you go. There is our butterfly envelope journal. That one was a blast to make. I hope you like it. I hope you'll try one. Like I said, everything's in the description box that you need to know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now.